light, and we're going to take a right on red, nice and easy as we approach the intersection and approach congestion. You can go ahead, and then you're going to signal up. Now, if there's someone pulling out here, you can signal after, because otherwise they think you're going to go in there. Go ahead, and then they'd cut you off. They could cut you off. Right on red, where's the flow of traffic come from? We're reading an intersection like a book, so we start from the left. Is it coming from the left? Yes, good answer. All right, full stop here. So, we stop behind the marker. Is there any pedestrians?
No.
No. All right, when we take a right, which lane do we get into? Creep up.
The right lane.
Right. Which lane do we want clear? The right and the
center.
In the center lane. Yep. Full stop here for the law, and then you creep up and you stop one more time for your life. Get your wheels going towards the curb. Good. Creep. All right. Hold up, stop, because this guy's coming 45 after this guy. The other guy's going straight right, I thought. Maybe not. Yeah, he is. Thinking after this car. We got a little bit of debris on our car, so we can't. Ready? Creep and commit. Right behind him. Get on it, though. Inside right, and then 45. You got to get up to speed. So there we're evaluating speed. We need that much distance, and then when we pull out, you got to get up to 45.